History of dogs. The domestication of dogs dates back more than 15,000 years, to the first humans in Europe and Asia. At that time, humans began herding dogs, using them to guard livestock and hunt prey. It is likely that the first dogs were scavengers, but over time they evolved into specialized herders and hunters. The first domesticated animals were probably the wild canids, such as wolves and foxes, which were tamed and used for hunting, herding, and protection. Today, dogs continue to be used for herding, hunting, and protection. Over time, dogs were trained to help humans perform specialized duties, such as pulling carts and guarding property. Dogs have become domesticated and bred to be more docile and friendly. Today, dogs are still used for a variety of purposes, such as search and rescue, therapy, and drug detection. The domestication of dogs dates back at least 15,000 years, to the end of the last ice age. At that time, humans began to settle into permanent villages, and dogs were a valuable asset in hunting game and scavenging for food. It is likely that humans realized the utility of dogs before they actually domesticated them, but it is known that dogs were used as watchdogs and guards long before the first written records were made. Canis lupus familiaris, the domestication species of wolves, were the first domesticated animal.